LG G Stylo Teardown. Warning: you are performing this repair at your own risk. We claim no responsibility for any damages that might occur. To perform this DIY repair, you will need a plastic triangle opening tool, nylon spudger, fine tip curved tweezers, precision knife set, premium 2mm red adhesive roll, multi-purpose heat gun, professional Phillips screwdriver, power down your LG G Stylo smartphone. Remove the LG G Stylo stylus pen. Use the triangle opening tool or your fingernails to work around the rear cover and release the plastic clip, securing it in place. Easily take out the LG G Stylo's 3.85 volt 3000 mAh lithium-ion battery. Remove the micro SIM card. Remove the following 11 Phillips screws, securing the midframe in place. The LG G Stylo midframe includes the loudspeaker and power and volume buttons. Use the triangle opening tool to assist in removing the midframe from the LG phone. Carefully separate the LG G Stylo loudspeaker assembly from the midframe. No tools necessary. With the spudger, detach and remove the 5-megapixel LG G Stylo front-facing selfie camera. Remove the 8-megapixel LG G Stylo rear-facing camera. Use the nylon spudger to carefully remove the headphone jack from the chassis. Detach the LG G Stylo display assembly cable from the motherboard. Carefully remove the motherboard from the LG phone. Using the fine tip curved tweezers, remove the earpiece speaker. Remove the spring contact applied vibrator. Peel up the tape and display assembly cable. With the heat gun, warm up the adhesive securing the LG G Stylo display assembly to the frame. Use the precision knife to create separation and insert a plastic triangle opening tool to start slicing through the adhesive. Take your time and apply additional heat as needed. Once you have sliced through the adhesive, be mindful of the ribbon cable when removing the display assembly from the frame. All the replacement parts and repair tools used in the video are available at www.Fixez.com. Make sure to take a look at our other DIY smartphone and tablet repair tutorials. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Like us on Facebook and follow us on Twitter.